friend of mine by the name of Darren Hogue, who we've been friends for quite some time. I've always admired his work and admired what he stood for as a human being. And we were talking. He didn't know what state of mind I was in at the time. And I was involved in a serious motorcycle accident a few years ago that almost cost me my life. It affected me physically and it affected me mentally. And over the last 4.5, 5 years, I've been in a state of mind that I really just couldn't keep my focus. I really just couldn't get things going the way I wanted them to go. I started taking the product, and it was pretty evident. A day or two after I started taking the Q96, it impacted my life. I felt better. I had more mental focus. I didn't feel like there was a fog over my mind. And really, to be honest with you, over the last 4 or 5 years, I couldn't put my finger on why I wasn't able to build the businesses that I had done in the past, but it was all because of my state of mind. And this product has done some incredible things for me. So if you're out there listening to it and you feel that there's no way out, there is a way out. It's a natural way out. It's called Q96.